Dictation number 149. We ready? Start. Sir, we are all aware of the need for fulfilling our commitments as far as the 7th 5-year plan is concerned. Full stop. I am sure everyone is also willing to sacrifice for the cause of the country, a cause which must override all individual, communal, provincial, or even petty political considerations. Full stop. Money has to be found and found primarily within our own borders, for in the long run a nation has to stand on its own strength. Full stop. The finance minister has therefore rightly said that everyone, rich and poor, has to shoulder the great burden if we are to achieve our aims and objectives. Full stop. But while everyone is and must be willing to put his shoulder to the wheel, he can only do as much as is commensurate with his strength. Full stop. Has that strength been appraised aright, and what will be the consequences if the burden is more than any sector can bear? Question mark para. The cost of living has gone up considerably. Full stop. We are told that prices have gone up because the purchasing power of the people has increased. Full stop. Has the purchasing power of the people increased pari passu with the rise in prices? Question mark. I doubt it very much. Full stop. I am not in an economist, but I did learn that deficit financing will always cause inflation, and if that is so, the more we go in for deficit financing, the higher will soar the prices of commodities. Full stop. Women are said to be poor financiers. Full stop. As a woman, I admit that with the large majority of my sex, I know nothing in regard to the theory of high finance. Full stop. But as a man, I also have to meet household expenditure, and I am not at all sure that women do not know how best to make two ends meet. But full stop. I fear that the present proposals are going to make it very, very hard, and in fact may make life impossible for those who are poor, and the large majority in this country are poor. Full stop. I am glad to read in the papers that kerosene oil has been left out by the finance minister, but he is taxing heavily such other things as the poor man needs, like cloth, sugar, tea, food grains, etc. Full stop. They are not commodities whose prices can be sent up without touching the poor man's purse. Full stop. Talking of tea, I wonder if something could be done to stop its adulteration. Full stop. Para. Now food cannot continue to be doled out to the poor forever with promises of subsidy, whether by rupees 200 crores, which the honorable finance minister is going to put aside for supplementing the food needs of the nation, or by fair price shops. Full stop. Production in every sphere is the only answer, but an undernourished person can never produce, full stop. Why has the lowest income rate can never produce, full stop. Why has the lowest income rate for taxation been lowered to the extent of making life still harder for the poor man, question mark. I think everybody who has anything to do with expenditure, comma, today realities that rupees 1000 per month for a family is nothing at all, full stop. Take a man who has got to feed himself, his wife and 3 or 4 children, and perhaps his father and mother who are dependent on him, full stop. How can he possibly pay taxation on this small income, question mark, para. The price of the postcard has been raised, full stop. Why, question mark. The rise in railway fares too is going to hit him, full stop. The poor, sir, should be made less poor, full stop. That should be the objective of every government, but I fear greatly that the present budget proposals are going almost the other way in many directions, on the assumption of the fulfillment of a plan which might itself indeed break on the rock of finance, full stop, para. Sir, comma, I have said I do not believe in destructive criticism, or at any rate I said I would offer some constructive criticism, full stop. Now there is no one who sympathizes with the finance minister in his efforts to raise money, but will be willing to listen to other ways and means which will not hit the poor man quite so hard, full stop, para. Instead of raising the postcard rate, why cannot the price of the stamped envelope be raised from 1 rupee to 2 rupees, question mark. I would not mind even if the cost of the reply postcard was raised to 1 rupee, but I object strongly to the cost of the single postcard, whether local or internal, being increased, full stop. I do not know what the yield from such a measure, that is raising the cost of the envelope from 1 rupee to 2 rupees, will be, but I imagine it will not be less than the tax on the postcard, full stop, para. I believe I am right in saying that our civil aviation rate are less than those in the world, full stop. The aeroplane up to date is the rich man's means of convenience. Why cannot airfares be raised rather than railway fares, question mark. Sir, comma, I may be pardoned for saying so in this house, full stop.